This is Math Studies, Lesson 9.5, Sequence and Series Applications. So this lesson is all word problems. I don't actually even have any examples on this lesson, just a place to collect all of the formulas that we've gone over through the rest of the packet. So in lesson 9.1, we talked about arithmetic sequences. The recursive formula for an arithmetic sequence looked like that. If we needed to calculate the difference, we could take the second number and minus the first number. And if we needed to calculate the zero number, we could take the first number and minus the difference. When we had that, if we wanted the explicit formula, we would take the zero number and add the difference a repeated multiple number of times. Geometric sequences we looked at in lesson 9.2. The recursive formula looked like that. If we needed to calculate the ratio, we had a couple different ways. The main way from a list of numbers is dividing. Or we could do 100% plus or minus the given percent, depending on if it was an increase or a decrease. If we wanted to go into the explicit formula, we would need the zero number times the ratio to the power of n. And I'm going to add right here to get the zero number. We could take the first number, don't write that, don't write that, don't write that. The first number and divide it by the ratio. Arithmetic series we looked at in lesson 9.3. And if we wanted to calculate an arithmetic series, that's a capital S for sum, for a sum of a bunch of numbers, whereas the U's were a specific number in a list of numbers. We would need the first number plus the last number times the number of numbers divided by 2. Geometric series were in lesson 9.4, and we had two different formulas for if we were adding up just a couple numbers in the list of numbers or all of the numbers. The partial sum formula was a little longer. We needed the first number times 1 minus the ratio to the power of n divided by 1 minus the ratio, whereas the infinite sum was the first number divided by 1 minus the ratio, but only for decreasing sequences. For increasing or arithmetic, the answer was automatically no solution. So, hopefully, throughout this entire packet, the shorter videos made up for the longer videos, but that's all the notes we have on this one. Good luck on the exercises. Please let me know if you have any questions and when you're ready for the test.